Oh, I'm so glad I got out. I'm so glad I got out. Vinny ended up taking a dookie after I fucking left. Yo, what up, Sahal? What up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What are you guys up to? Can you send me a MacBook? What's good? What's good? What are you guys doing? Bro, I'm so glad I closed out of this NVIDIA trade at my $1,000. Ugh. How you guys feeling? Drop a like on stream if you're opening. Drop a like on stream. Don't just drop a heart reaction. What's good? What's good? Just smacked on that diet. It was a Coke Zero, but it was cherry Coke Zero. That shit went crazy. That shit went crazy. How you feeling? Hold on, I'm gonna grab some water real quick. Paul, can you please send me the remaining part of the MacBook, please? What up? What up, Mega Stunt? How you feeling, lead loader? What's good? What's good? Let's do a trade real quick. Let's do a trade real quick. Let's do a little trade ski. Let's use prompt number 1. Let's copy and then paste this. This is give me a trade for the last hour of the day. It can come from any sector in the market. Let's knock one of these out. Do a little last hour of the day trade. Make $1,000 on this trade. Can you send me the remaining? NVIDIA short put. Looks like it's gonna give me another NVIDIA. I'm gonna just say make this a simple call. I'll make this a simple options trade for me to buy. I don't want to sell any options because I don't want to tell you yes or no. I'm carrying. So we just went and asked TradeGPT. We said, I'm going to place this trade right now. I said, give me a trade to make for the last hour of the day. It has to be an options. All right, we got another 170 NVIDIA. We were just in this trade, but I'll take it again. You know what though? Nah. Let's do something outside the Mag 7. 25 people, yet I'm the only speaker. I got you with the answer in a bit. I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. POWI. All right. However, the dividend yield, the company is negative over your growth, which is concerning decent growth profit margin. All right, let's do this. Let's do POWI. Let's do POWI. 45 at a stop at an ask at 350 and a take profit. All right, we'll do this. So what am I watching? You're watching me use a language model that's connected to real-time stock market data. POWI. And then place whatever trade it tells me to do. 20th of December. Holy shit. Wait a minute. Expiry date, 20th December. There is no 20th December for POWI. Generate this image. It's been amazing. It's been amazing. I mean, I track all my trades. 17th of October. Okay. 17th of October, 45 at 390. 17th of October, 35. What's this? Or 45 at 330. Okay, perfect. Let's do this. We'll do a market order, and then I'm just gonna do like $3,000 on this. $3,360. That looks like a good number. I like 336. That looks good. All right, let's pop this in. Can I use this? Yeah, it's free. You just Google TradeGPT by TradeAlgo. It's not through ChatGPT. It's through TradeAlgo. All right, we just entered POWI. We'll do this. POWI, 17th of October, $45 strike. I mean, lead loader, you can tell people to do that, right? You're just giving them bad information, though. How much do I make now? I made 1,000 this morning. It'll be the first one to pop up. No, I mean, you guys can do whatever. You guys can listen to Mega Stunt in the chat. And you guys can, like I said, you guys can do whatever you want. But that's not what this is. ChatGPT, no ChatGPT plugin has real-time stock market data, right? You can use, here, I'll go to ChatGPT, I'll show you. Then end the stream. I know, but I came back on to do a last trade of the day. All right, so if I go and I listen to this dude in the chat, right, and I go to GPTs, and I go to see more, right, or hold on. If I go to library. No, hold on. What do I do? What did he say to do? Hope you got it. Yeah, I got out in a video. No, it's investing. It's not crypto trading. On plugins. You can't use ChatGPT to do this though. How do I do this, bro? Codex. How do you go to plugins on ChatGPT? Legacy models. GPTs, explore. Oh, here we go. All right. So this is like if I went to ChatGPT and I tried to look up trade, like anything. Church trading, right? If I go here, I have TraderGPT. That's not this platform, right? So you can get technical analysis. It'll do analysis for you, and it'll do analysis on like stocks and other things like that. But it does not analyze real-time stock market data, right? So if I go to ChatGPT and I literally just ask, what's the difference between you and your plugins and TradeGPT by TradeAlgo? What is the difference? That's it. He's hiding it. Lead loader started to turn into a hater. So like TradeGPT is connected to real-time stock market data. So this is TradeGPT by TradeAlgo. It scans through real-time stock market data. Yeah, it'll give you like it'll give you real-time stock market data, right? And that's like the big difference. Like the plugins, it's a lot tougher to use and get real-time data from plugins. A lot of time you're looking at like Yahoo Finance and other things like that. TradeAlgo will go through like real-time data terminals. No, I mean you guys can use whatever you want, right? You guys I mean like you guys can use ChatGPT, but at the end of the day, you want to use a program that's connected to real-time data. You're making me want to risk my money. Yeah, it won't give up to date. Even if you use a plugin, it's really difficult to do. So you guys want to use an AI that's connected to real-time stock market data. I just did this trade right now. So I asked for a trade to make for the last hour of the day, and then it gave me NVIDIA, and then I went and said something. I was like, something outside the Mag 7. And then it went and gave me this POWI stock. Within, say, a month. That's a crazy ask, bro. Like I said, there's no crystal ball for this. It's just real-time stock market data. Damn, POWI's looking crazy. See what happens here. I mean, the stock is all over the place. I just did this. I literally just did this random stock. I started with 1K. How often does it fail? It fails like 15% of the time, but you got to remember some days, like this morning, I only got a 10% return on NVIDIA, and you got to be happy with those small returns. And that's like kind of like well, a lot of people will tell me I'm a very disciplined trader, but at the end of the day, I'm literally just listening to an AI and just following the trades exactly. Yeah, you got to be cool with making 50, 60 bucks, bro. Especially when you start with 100, you got to be cool with making $20, $30 at first, even in a day level, right? I'm trading like $5,000 to $10,000 a trade. But then King Medi, you got to be cool if you know you don't want to. What I got to do for this, bro? Leloader, you were just like literally telling people that I was lying and saying I was hiding the plugin for that. You like I don't even know, bro. You're like mad at me right now. Bro, it's literally like, I'm lying. Search ChatGPT plugin trade. It'll be the first one that pops up. Search ChatGPT plugins. You will find it. No, it's that's that. I can tell a troll. I'm an epileptic, so it really holds me back on work. I'm able to find fidelity. I'm 70% aggressive. I'm putting in about 1. If you were just rage baiting me, I guess it's cool. XRP to $50 by the end of the year. Guys, you guys realize what has to happen for XRP to hit 50 fucking dollars? Like that's a big fucking move, dude. I'm gonna start off with 100. Yeah, I mean just paper trade at first, bro. Learn the game. $5. Yeah, $5. $5 is realistic. Max $10 by the end of the year. If XRP hits $10, you're still in a great position. $100 is not going to do anything. Save, exactly. Can I use trading 212? I would use a brokerage that you know is trusted. Is all I would say. That's the only like really advice I can give you on a brokerage. I don't really give financial advice though. I really don't. I don't give any financial advice. But yeah, we're cooking right now. We're cooking on this. We're cooking on this. I need to get some Pokemon cards. Okay, 212 is safe in the UK. Can you use Robinhood in the UK? Yeah, I'm using TradeGPT by TradeAlgo. Have you heard of it? Show my cards. All right, I'll show your cards in a bit. We're in this POWI right now. Whoa, 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 whoa. This thing is moving. See where I'm at. Now I'm down 2% on POWI. But I think options on this are really weak. Yeah, well, I'm in this $45 call. Actually, these are crazy. Day volume. You log your results anywhere. I'm gonna start it. I need to start a spreadsheet. That's what I need to do. Usually, you guys watch all my trades live, but I'm gonna go ahead and start a spreadsheet. This is POW. Oh, this isn't a video right now. Bro, POW. The reasoning behind POWI was crazy. This is the reasoning, Don. POWI's price to earnings is 82, significantly higher than the sector median 33, indicating a premium pricing. However, it offers a dividend yield of 1.96, higher than the sector median of 1.34. The company has a negative year-over-year EPS growth of negative 20%, which is concerning compared to the sector's 10%. POWI maintains a decent gross profit margin of 55%, but its EBIT margin is now at 5%. Stock has a poor one-year performance. High customer switching costs on the long-term debt and potential in GAN technology market. POWI. It's POWI. I'm not telling anyone to buy it. It just like it gave me a crazy reasoning. POWI, yeah, like Jerome POWI. Let's see what happens here. You got earlier. Did TradeGPT give it to you? Lead loader? To look at the charts. I'm not trading today. Why aren't you trading today, Donnie? I've been doing this I've been streaming these for like 6 weeks now. Hey, I have a short trade in SXP. SXP. Is XXP a SXP? Oh, you mean SPX? S&P 500, yeah. That's up. Yeah, POWI's just like, even if POWI moves, I feel like we won't get action on these options for a second. I feel like we won't get action on these options in a second. Here, I'm going to show you guys my Clash, or I'm going to just send it to you, Lead Loader. I'll send you my Clash deck. I'm not going to bring it on the stream, but I'll send it to you. But what's good, though, guys? How you guys feeling? Jakish, I'm having trouble because whenever the market closes just below my DP when it comes to him. I saw less. Yeah, I mean that's options 101, especially when you're trading with limit orders. Yeah. No, I already made it. I already made two. I'm up $2,000 today. I just hopped on to do one last trade before bed. That deck smacks. I made 2 trades. Well, yeah, I finished out 2 trades today. So I did NVIDIA for 9% return. Remember, guys, if you guys are trading with $100, you got to remember you're only making $9. I'm making 1,000 because I put 10 grand on this. So I did NVIDIA 170 today. I mean, you guys can go rewind the stream and watch me place all of these. And then you guys can go to Oracle, which was another 1,000. Want a collab. What up, Wahana? Ha ha ha. Are you the Jonkler? And then this Oracle 285. Dude, POWI's looking crazy. POWI is looking crazy. Not a lot of institutional options, but let's go to unusual activity. Yeah, I saw your first comment. Jackie Sean Singh. Last trade before bed. Did I say bed? No, I said last trade before I end. Last trade before the day ends. I'll do a Kahoot game. We can do a Kahoot game. We can do a quick Kahoot game. I said bed. That's crazy. I might be geeking. We love you from Pakistan. Thank you, Pakistan. Jackie Sean. Like Jackie Chan. It's bro, such a city day. Let me park my car and I've got a story. You can call me and tell it if you want. Let's rip a Contexto game. What's a Contexto game? What's DP? That's what I'm saying. I don't know what this is. Bro's like kind of like yapping. Zebra Defender, what's good, bro? All the way from Poland. Is trade algo on the stock market? No, they have a pre-IPO, I believe. Market hates me. Market hates me. Hey, Jackie Chan. Zebra Defender's calling me. All right. Hold up, bro. Yo.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, bro. What's good?
Bro, I've been dealing with some randomized trader. I mean, I thought that's a trader from Australia. Turned out that there are 2 fucking brokers with the same name. One's from Australia, one's from fucking Mauritius or some shit. Seychelles, I don't know. And I chose them because they have such a low spread on Bitcoin. So I give them like $700. And I thought that there's everything's cool. They need some proof of my address, like utility bills or some shit. So I thought, okay, if I ever need to withdraw, I'll just send my bills. My dog just in my car, sorry. And today was the day that a sudden medical bill came out.
Okay.
$700.
Damn.
I thought, okay, I need to find the utility bills, do it quickly, so I can get my money. And they weren't accepted. First utility bill for, I don't know, gas, electricity, water, nothing. bank documents. No, you don't accept it. So I started calling them, but their line is always busy. So I started writing them, and I don't know, I wrote them for like 7th time. They don't fucking care.
Damn.
You can write an email. So I wrote an email, but they ignored me. And I thought, oh my god, I just $700 and I have no way of paying my medical bill.
Dude, that's ass. What so they scammed you? The trader?
I'm pretty sure they scammed me.
Send me the names of the brokerages on Instagram right now.
Sure.
I want to take a look at it while we're on stream. Send me the names. Yeah, send me the names of the brokerage. I'll take a look at it. And then like send me the full story on Instagram.
Oh, sorry. So I gotta hang up, right?
Yeah. Hang up and then send me all that.
Okay, sure.
I bet. Do you have a Discord? No, I just have an Instagram. I just have Instagram. How you guys feeling though? He's gonna give me the full story. He had a Zebra Defender. You have a thick accent, so I couldn't really hear you that well. But I'm looking forward to hearing the whole story on Instagram. PU Prime. PU Prime. PU Prime. These guys, Zebra Defender? Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, you guys... Is it these guys? Yeah, I hit the target price. Now I'm in this POWI trade. Why are you smiling like that? Use trusted brokers. He's going to give me the full story in a second. He's typing. Guys, always go with trusted shit. Like, I mean, I use one of the largest brokers on the planet. Like, if you guys are going to use a brokerage, you're just one Google search away. Like, I don't even, like, if I'm looking for a way to house money, I don't click on ads. I don't click on anything, right? You guys see my whole process, right? I'm using trusted data with trusted brokerage accounts. Oh, I scammed this Australian dude. What up, Debug Thoughts? Hey, guys. Hey, Handsome. Hello from Europe. You're going to... Lead Loader's going to fish me. Maybe that's how you get the 200 for the laptop, Lead Loader. Is you got to fish me. That's how you're going to do it. Do you trade on crypto? No, I trade stock options. All right, let's see this. Let's see this company's fucking all time. $2021, they had their high, of course, just like everybody else. And their high was $109. POWI went crazy at one point. Too much numbers. What is dark pool? Don, you know what dark pools are, bro? Dark pools are where the banks trade. Yeah, guys, anyone who's telling you to send them $700, don't do that. All right, let's see. Let's get the full story. So I took a loan to pay for the medicine. Word. After I realized it's not getting me. Okay, so Send. Okay, so these guys, PU Prime. Is it Zero Defender? Is it these guys? How do you Yeah, so yeah, TradeGPT reads through dark pool data in a combination with real-time stock market transactions to get its order flow. What's forbidden? The big long trading. What's forbidden in Australia? Why you stream 720? I don't know. What does that mean? I don't know. I don't know how to change it. I don't know anything about like streaming rendering. Yeah, I think it's them. Just, I mean, like, were you like, was that the website that you used? Was it like an app? And like, did somebody call you? And what kind of trading were you trying to do, Zebra? What kind of trading were you trying to do? Why would you say you have high IQ? I don't know. Why would you say you have a high IQ? I don't know, bro. Website looks legit. That's what I'm saying. The website does look legit. puprime.com. I don't know what this is. Would you say you have high IQ? That's a good question. I mean, based on my IQ test, yeah. Yeah, I don't do prop firms. I don't do prop money or anything like that. So I'm not familiar with how all this works. Yeah, low commissions. Oh, it's Forex trading. Alan Servokic. I can show you my IQ test results. Would you like to see them? It's part of the meta. He acting dumb to trick you into thinking he's dumb. And still no withdrawals for me. And the biggest concern is the fact that their number isn't working. And you tried calling them. Was it working before you called them? A lot of smart people use that meta. He looks very tired, so I'll excuse him this time. No, I just ate hella food, bro. I just ate hella food. I don't know what the deal is, bro. I don't know if it's like I'm not eating enough caffeine or like I'm pushing myself too hard in the gym or what it is. But no, I've been tired lately, bro. I ate tacos. I had tacos. It's on my Instagram story. I know, I need to get some caffeine. But it's like, I don't want it to do too much caffeine because I won't be able to sleep. Go carnivore, bro. It'll change your life. Honestly. Caleb, you're just basically, I'm just going to translate what you said. You just said, can you please send everyone money and send more money out to people? You're greedy, bro. It's just take with you, Caleb. No, I'm just kidding, buddy. I've never tried to call them before. I mean, I tried calling them. Whoa, we got a little bit of action here on POWI. What the fuck? I'm up $80. Room. Make it out of here. Chill, bro. Market test your patience for years. It's never too late. You'll fail eventually. Use caffeine pouches. How'd I find this POWI trade? Bro, I literally asked TradeGPT like 20 minutes ago. I was like, give me a trade to make for the last hour of the day. And then it gave me NVIDIA, of course. And then I said, make it a simple options trade. Then it gave me NVIDIA again. And then I was like, all right, fuck this. I said something outside the Mag 7. And then it gave me POWI, $45 strike. And then it gave me the 20th of December. And then I asked it again. I was like, the 20th of December, there's no contracts. Like, TradeGPT will tweak sometimes, guys. Like, it'll literally give me expiration dates that don't exist. So I was like, all right, 20th of December literally doesn't exist. So I went and did then it gave me the 17th of October. And yeah, I just took this. First said, the fuck was that? No, I was just reacting to that transfer of knowledge that SFA 533 gave me. Like it made me tweak out. It's probably a server thing. It was a brain server shortage. Oh my god. Bro, use like the metal emojis and everything. It's kind of funny. POWI doing what it can. Let's check the news on these guys. I got a POWI $500 profit. Johnny, when did you take POWI? Did it give? It's not just me. It gave POWI then. When did it give me? When did it give you POWI, bro? Paper. When did you take it? Same time as you, bro. How the fuck am I not up? How the fuck am I not up? How much did you put on it? I only did 3,240. Did you do? Yeah. But what trade size did you do? Did you do 8 positions like me? Oh, 10K. All right. Yeah, there you go. That makes sense. He's on the Zyn, vape, and caffeine. Dude, I'm just on demon time right now, bro. Let's at market close, we'll do a Kahoot game, and then I'll send them the winner some money, and then I'm gonna fucking hop off. I really need to get my streaming hours up, bro, because YouTube, it's gonna push my channel more once I'm able to monetize the videos. Because like I don't know what it is about it, but once you're able to monetize videos, you just hit the algorithm more. I don't know if they want people to like watch ads or some shit, but just I know my channel's gonna grow a lot more. Not that I'm looking for YouTube money, but I just know my channel's gonna get a lot more popping. So I'm trying to get more streaming hours. So drop a like, bro. Contexto? It's a word guessing game. All right, let's see what Contexto is. They want people to watch ads. Yeah, I know. What up, Prakash? What up, Prakash? Yo, is this card worth money? You watch those clips? It's worth 13 million. Dweeble's worth $13 million. Is this card worth $13 million? Need a full art. Oh. And a full art's worth 13 million? Whoa. POWI's going crazy. What the fuck? Buy an expensive card, ask this question, and let the chat say no and tear it and you'll go viral. Oh, I'm up $200 on POWI. Damn, bro, you should have held a little contract, Johnny. If you're paper trading, you should have held a little contract and seen what the action is. Damn, I'm up I'm making cheese today, bro. I'm making cheese. Where are you from? I'm from India. I'm in India right now. I know. I need to make an Excel sheet of all my trades. Time and results. Yeah, bro. You can go to this morning stream and watch me trade NVIDIA. I do all my entries and exits on stream. Yeah, I'm from I don't even know where I'm from at this point. I'm like Las Vegas and California mostly. Dude, POWI might be sick. I just like the name too. I am from India. Oh, you're from India. Good stuff, bro. Goochville, Virginia. All right, okay, James Trader, what was the thing you wanted me to do? Contexto? We got 9 more minutes before the market closes. I'm going to forget about we'll do Contexto. What's Contexto? The words are sorted by an artificial type of word. Dude, I don't know how this works. Yeah, it's because you did an option trade. Yeah, this game kind of sucks. That was a close call. Is this a game? Is this a game? Yeah, can you guys start giving me guesses, dude? I guess random was the closest one. That word doesn't count. Okay. Whoa, okay. We're getting closer now. SPERATIC, gambling. No. Dude, I don't know. Dude, card was the closest one. What Kahoot is this? Dude, this is like some random shit. Wait, hint. CPU? Dude, what? Okay. Something in this. Dude, computer was the closest one so far. Wow. Wow. GG's, Johnny. GG's. All right, let's do another one. GG's. Hardware. Okay, should we do another one? And then, I don't know, how do we gamify this? Just the person who gets the money, the question right gets the money? Or should we do something else? Previous games. Nah. He won 30 mil. GG's, Johnny. That one, okay, that one was tough for me to give out bread for because, I mean, that no one really knew what was going on. But let's do a Kahoot game, and I'll give out some money, and then we'll go ahead and close out. What's POWI doing? Let's do Kahoot. Another one, we'll put money on it. And no, we're gonna do a Kahoot game and put money on it. Just everyone hates Kahoot. Everyone hates Kahoot. Some people love Kahoot, some people hate it. Let's do no cars. Yeah, Kahoot, but no shit topic. All right, hold up. I need something that's funny. Dude, I mean like discover artificial intelligence. Let's do, artificial intelligence. And we'll just do this American Life artificial intelligence Kahoot. Please do cars. No, we're going to do AI. You guys want to do cars or AI? Do science? What do you guys want to do? Cars? Look, I mean, when you search cars on Kahoot, it's literally just fucking like... it's just cars, bro. Like, it's literally like the company, like the... Not the movie. I know, bro. Yeah, but there isn't like Kahoots. Cars 03. No, this is 19 questions. Okay, this looks dumb. This looks retarded. Car logos. Car brands. Electric cars, inconvenient facts. Internal combustion engines. Car logos. Do something different. Dora. All right, we'll do logos. All right, 20. I want to do something with 10 questions. Just 13 questions. All right, we'll do this. All right, join up. Yeah, you have to join the game. So go to kahoot.it and then enter this game pin. Winner of this gets $20. Logos, guys. It's logos. Alan is in. J Trader's in. Big Daddy Kane is in. What up, T-Roo? What's good? We're doing a Kahoot game. Winner gets 20. Market's officially closed. I'm up $280 on POWI. POWI. Are you guys ready? We're gonna start it. Let's start it. Is anyone else waiting to join? No. You guys will get the questions on your phone. The questions will pop up on your phone. Are you guys ready? Witty Wildcat. Adolf Stalin would be crazy. All right, you guys ready? We're going to start it in 3, 2, 1. Anyone else waiting to join? All right, fuck it. Let's go. All right, the questions will pop up on your phone. Food logos. What fast food company does this logo belong to? Oh my god. It's everyone. It's Wendy's. It's Wendy's. It's Wendy's, guys. It's when these nuts land on your face. It's Wendy's, everyone. It's Wendy's. It's Wendy's. It's got to be Wendy's. It's got to be Wendy's. It's got to be Wendy's, bro. Wow, no one listened to my shill. Who got it fastest? Invest with Alex got it fastest. Everyone was pretty close though. So it's speed. It's all about speed. Dude, how easy is this? That's why logos are lame, bro. This is Ring a Bell Burger. This is Bell's Burgers, guys. Bell's Burgers. If you didn't know this was Bell's Burgers, you are it's a skill issue. Invest with Alex, crushing you fools, bro. Car logo specifically would be nice. Which cereal brand has Tony the Tiger as their mascot? Guys, it's Cheerios. It's Cheerios. That's the correct answer. Cheerios is the correct answer. Dude, what if POWI does a 5,000% return? Dude, who the fuck said Fruit Loops? Bro, who said Captain Crunch? Invest with Alex is cooking, you guys. Bro, maybe put Cheerios. Dude, what? If you put Cheery, like, dude, like these are so easy. I have to try to throw you off. It's Burger King. I don't know. I don't live in America. All right. I guess this one is advantageous. Red eyes, Mary Jane. Nah, dude, are my eyes red? No, it's no Mary Jane, bro. Bro, who the fuck put Wendy's? You guys are crazy, man. I don't know all these questions. This one is Hardee's. Dude, Invest with Alex is a Kahoot god. Never been to White Castle? We'll do one more after this with car logos, and then we'll hop off. This has got to be Little Caesars, bro. This has got to be Little Caesars, bro. This has got to be Little Caesars, bro. This has to be Little Caesars. There's no way I'm wrong here. This has got to be Little Caesars, bro. Invest with Alex is going to cook. Which large chain uses this cup as their logo? It has to be Starbucks, right? It has to be Starbucks. It has to be Starbucks. Dude, this has to be Starbucks. This has to be Starbucks. This literally has to be Starbucks. This literally has to be Starbucks. There's no way this isn't Starbucks. Oh shit, it was Dunkin'. This isn't fair. Nurger? Beech nut? I think it's beech nut. I think it's beech nut. I think it's beech nut. I think it's beech nut baby food. We get the questions at the same time. That is a fact. It wasn't beech nut. All right, you know what? We'll wrap up here. We'll stop this one where it's at. And then I'm going to send... Invest with Alex got the dub. Don't worry. Invest with Alex, you won. Invest with Alex won this one. So I'm going to put down Invest with Alex as a win. And then... Unless you guys... I mean, we still have people that are pretty close in the race. Let's do one more question. Thanks for the stream, brother. I learned a lot. I think this is Nilla wafers. These are way too easy. Yeah, bro, you should have been in the Kahoot game so you could make money with all that knowledge you have. Invest with Alex. You got a really tight lead. Run the car logos one and it's over for everyone. I think this is vitamin water. I think this logo is vitamin water. Yeah, that's how you make money on my stream is you... It's 13 questions. It's 13 questions. No logos, please.
Should I put the stock symbol too or no?
Yeah, invest with Alex is too big of a lead. This ice cream chain is known for their blizzards that you can flip upside down. I think it's called upside down blizzards. I think that's what the place is called, upside down blizzards. I'm on stream right now. I'm on stream right now. Yeah. No logos, please. Dude, you're 40 points away from beating Invest with Alex. Please, this is not fair. AI questions. You guys want to do AI questions or car logos? I feel like I can't play into what you guys want though. That's one thing I can't do because there's going to be someone with an advantage if I play into what you guys want. I'm going to choose the next one. I think this is bananas. Quiz about Poland. Yeah, see, like that's the kind of shit I'm talking about. Like, I can't just do a quiz about Poland. I think this is Nisby Neems. I think this is Nigsby Neems. Are you from Bro? Yeah, I'm from Bro. I came from Bro. Invest with Alex. Big Daddy Kane, Naomi, and invest with Alex. Got the dub. All right, cool. All right, invest with Alex. I'm going to send you 20 on crypto. I'm just going to do it in one mass thing because I want to get off soon, so I don't want to take time doing it. All right, we're not going to do logos. Cahoots. Let's go to Discover. Kahoot Studio channels. Learn. Good news of the week. How do you... Can we do SpongeBob? Something not American. All right, you know what? This is actually cool. All right. Don, you're going to want to get in on this one. Don, you might do the best here. Do you like famous figures? No, we're doing trading. This is a trading one. All right, while you guys join, by the time I send Alex this 20, you guys better all be in. Nil Kiggers. All right, this is the last one of the day. All right, invest with Alex. I just sent you the ETH. Ends in 7FO2. You just got it. Naomi didn't win. I'm offended. Who would do such a thing? All right, who's ready for this? All right, winner gets 20. Winner gets 20. Alex, here we can't win. Just give it your best shot, guys. All right, you guys ready? Literally coming from the dude with his username called Invest with Alex. Don and Alex. This is probably going to be between Don and Alex. Are you guys ready? All right, ready? We're going to start. We got Don in here. We have Invest with Alex. We have Johnny9. We have Nil Kiggers. We have Ryan. And we have Alan. All right, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, begin. Winner gets 20. Day trading. What are the 3 elements of trading? I don't know what the fuck this is. Earth, air, and fire. That's what I was going to say, too. Caleb. Caleb in the house. When you trade gold in a Forex market, come on, guys. Gotta be smarter than that. The grammar is terrible. Yeah, I know. I didn't make this. Johnny9. What is an example of a future share? This quiz is brought to you by India Facts. Holding a position for 14 hours still qualifies as day trading. True. Nice job, guys. What is money? What is money? Nice. A physical currency. Is buying a personal car an investment? Just gonna get Alex's money loaded up. What is one trading misconception? Good stuff, guys. Trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Wow. Mental analysis. Damn, that would have been the chance for somebody to... You should bet big to win big. That's a crazy one. I don't understand. Like, that's so... That's like such a gray question. Neil Kigger's back on the top. Look at your bro. You would run from you. Oh, dude. Like, at this point, it's like, yeah. Damn, Johnny 9. Guys, come on. We got last question. College is an investment. Get the fuck out of here. Hey, did my buddy come in today? Who is it? Johnny 9 or Invest with Alex? Hey. All right, guys. That was fun. Okay, I guess Invest with Alex gets fucking $40. How is college an investment? That's what I'm saying. Dude, I didn't make that test. That's just the luck. That's just the luck of the fucking game sometimes. All right, Invest with Alex. To confirm that you got both payments, I'm going to update this ledger. Do the logo one? Nah, dude, nah. We'll do the logo one tomorrow. Yo, where's my money? Please, one last one. Whoa, dude, what is going on with this stock right now, bro? It's cooking, bro. Hold on. Let me look at this POWI. Yeah, we're gonna see what happens when the market opens tomorrow. POWI might have been a fucking play, dude. I got the 20 for the first Q. Yeah, you should have got it. How many percent out? I'm only up 8%, but also this is a smaller stock, so sometimes options on smaller stocks don't realize as fast. Okay, cool. All right, boys, this has been fun. We're gonna wrap it up here. I've got shit I gotta do, and I will see you guys tomorrow at 11 a.m. where we trade live once again. So it's been real. It's been fun, and I'll see you guys later.